you have to go out and actually get no's. And believe it or not, you going out and actually getting no's is gonna be somebody who's gonna say yes to you. It's almost like reverse psychology. It's like, all right, well, let me go out and I'm gonna get 50 no's today, right? And you're gonna mess around and not get that 50 because people actually say yes to what you have, right? So, and you want to make sure that you're not learning just for today. You're learning for where the industry could go or will go. With your career could really be amazing. You can get paid so much money. You have so much fun, but you gotta start now.
Networking event was amazing. I highly recommend that you come to the next one. I'm very glad that I came. I made some meaningful connections and I had some breakthroughs, and I look forward to what continuously working with Terrell is going to bring and what it's going to mean for my business. You have to be at the next one.